Hey guys, it's Jen. I know it's been a little while since I've done a Felicity Jane unboxing, but when I went to Arizona, Gina gave me my kit in person and I got to see the new Felicity Jane headquarters, which is fun. And also I saw a sneak at next month's kit, which you guys are going to die over. It's so cute. I think she's already shown some sneaks, so that's really fun. But I wanted to show you the Jill kit in case you haven't seen it yet. I know that there's still a bunch of stuff in the shop available and it's really cute. So I am going to show you the papers first, and I just have one of each paper to show you today. So let's take a look. We have the floral and dots. This floral is so gorgeous. It's white, a white floral on gray. And then the back is just a classic black and white polka dot, which we always love. And then the border strip is a gingham. Just stick these to the side. Then we have straight and squiggles. So we've got a mustard stripe. And then the back is this really cute little squiggly line. I love this. And then we've got some hearts in kind of an olive color. Well, white hearts on olive. I love that. I'm going to keep these on the colors that really kind of represent the kit so that you can see as we go through them. Flowers and hearts. Now this is a smaller floral. I love that we have two florals this month and it's so cute. It's like a little white floral with gray outlining and some dark gray leaves. So pretty. Love that. And then the back is just an open white heart. This one would be fun to color or just as a great black and white pattern. And then we've got a mustard with a white dot. So pretty. Okay, then we've got a nice green, olive green stars, and they're kind of little sketchy looking stars, really cute. And then the back is this cool scallop. So this could be white scallops or gray scallops, depending on the way that you look at it. It's a really fun pattern. And then the bottom branding strip is a stripe. So look at these colors. We've got some nice like masculine stuff going on here. If you wanted to flip these over, this would be really cute for like a little boy or something. How cute is that? So just wanted to point that out. Lots of these patterns are easily like you can flip it over to get a more masculine look if that's what you're looking for. I know Felicity Jane is known for florals and being very girly and pink, but you can definitely get the best of both worlds, I think, with this kit. So this one is called Southwest and Diamond. So we've got this Southwestern pattern where we've got like a bunch of different pinks and mustards and gray. And then the back is just a black and white diamond with a dot in the center. And then we've got kind of this dark coral with a white stripe. Very cute. Then we've got lines and triangles. So this is an olive stripe on white. Just a nice pinstripe. And then the back are these cute dot triangles just in black. And then we've got kind of like a leopard print branding strip. So love that. So those are the papers. And then we've got some cardstocks as well. So I love these cardstocks because they're always double-sided and they have this cute little scallop at the bottom. So we've got this kind of pinkish color and a mustard on one side. And then the back of the pinkish is the darker coral. And then the back of the mustard is the blue. So we got all four colors for you to work with. Very cute. I would definitely suggest picking up a second package of this paper if you love it because it can work for so many different things. So let's take a look. One of the things that I love about this month's kit is that there's some vellum. So we get 9 pieces of designer vellum. You can see them here on the back, but I'll take them out so you can see them one at a time. And I'm trying to decide what the best way to show these is. Let's go ahead and do it like this. I'll show one at a time on this background. So we've got a nice gingham plaid look there. We've got that cute little leopard. So this just is showing up here, and then in the branding strip we saw that as well. This is just a black and white stripe. Perfect. Here we've got a pink and white stripe. Love this. This is such a pretty soft layer to add into your layers behind a photo or something. Got an olive stripe diagonal. And then we've got this kind of scallop pattern. It could be like mermaid looking scales, or it could be kind of cloud looking, however the way you turn it. Then we've got Hello Beautiful. I love a good text pattern. There's lots of these. There's black with white dots. And then this gorgeous mustard floral. So that same floral that we saw in the gray paper in a mustard vellum. These vellum pages are so pretty, and they're so fun to add into mini albums if you're into making mini albums. The other thing I'm so excited about is this Jill Puffy alphabet. There was a black alphabet like this. I think it was in the Joy kit, the December kit from last year. So, so, so cute. And it's in white. Love it. Perfect, easy to use alphabet. I'm trying to put this where it glares the least, but I don't want to take it out of the package. Let's take a look at the chipboard bits and bobs. These are super cute. They're really small. You can see a picture here on the back, but I'll go ahead and take them out of the package so that you can see. They are really sweet. So I'll just show them to you in my hand. We've got happy, this little heart, this little open heart. This one says worth it. I love the sentiment of this kit, and you'll see that come up more in the stamp set, which I also love. Goals, which is great for January, right? We've got a bunch of little tags. That one has a flower on it, so pretty. Remember, so loved, and then there's that little leopard print tag, so that pattern just kind of showing up to give a little sass here and there. Let's take a look at the journaling cards. I think I used one of these when I was in Arizona. I made some cards and I kind of ripped apart some of the stuff that I had with me, so I may have used one of these, I'm not sure. There's usually 12, so I guess we'll find out. But here we have a stripe. All of these journaling cards either have a dot grid or a regular grid on the back, so they're easy to use either way. You are enough. Love that sentiment. Love you. Hearts. That floral on light pink. Just a nice notebook paper, but with the mustard lines. That's really fun. Little book plate. Love this pattern, just the crisscrossing. That makes a really good focal point if you wanted to put something in the center of it. Maybe I would put something bigger, but you know. Then we've got some pink dots and then this kind of gray dot. So I think I did use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Maybe I used more than one. I don't know. Okay, let's take a look at the die cuts. There are 2 sets of die cuts this month. One of them are just the regular die cut shapes, and then we also have some acetate die cut shapes, and they are awesome. So let's just take a look at these. I'm just going to go through these quickly. So we've got florals. There's Jill. She's super cute. I love her short bob. We've got some tags, which are always fun. Labels, which are always easy to use. Love that little scallop border. That's perfect to tuck underneath a photo or something. You've got this. You are beautiful. Lots of encouraging phrases. Great for card making. You are strong. Look at that floral. We've got some more labels. There's some more stuff in here. Oh, we've got some cute little banners. Go girl. So those are really fun. And a little bit more of that leopard print. Okay, let's take a look at the acetate shapes. These are my favorite. They're so pretty. I'll show you the big pieces first, which are the florals. Look at those. Ugh, I love these. Look at them on white. You can see them a little bit better. They're just really cute. Let me show you on the back of a journaling card. How cute is this to tuck into layers? I love, 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 love this. Okay, so we've got that one. We got this one. This one, that might be my favorite. This would be really cute to watercolor underneath it and then put this on top. Or if you have Copic markers, you could color on the back side of these to add some color to the actual acetate. I think that would be really pretty too. Very cute. Then we've got a border. Let me dump out the rest of the pieces here. There's a bunch of borders actually, and some hearts. So the hearts are drop-in, but the hearts are just black in different sizes. And then there's stars that are green in different sizes. And then there's a cute little plus sign. That's actually pink. So you can see it a little bit better down here. There's a couple of those as well. So those are fun. And then we've got, I should have just kept this up here. So this border, which is pink plus signs. This border, which is green stars. This border, which is that mustard dot, and then this one, which is just the black hearts, or they're dark gray maybe. Okay, And then we've got these adorable, I love these little, these mini clips, paper clips, bitty, mini wide paper clips, I think they're called. And this is a light pink color. So they're not white, they are pink. You can tell a little bit right there. So they're just a very light pink, and those are super sweet. You can tell when they're all in a jar together, it kind of helps concentrate the color so you can see it. And then last but not least, my favorite part is the stamp set. So this stamp set is really great. It has these two gorgeous florals, which I can't get enough of, and if you can't get enough of these, then you can make your own, so that's great. And then you've got some really encouraging phrases, and I think this stamp set particularly would be great for card makers. So it says, "You really are good enough, pretty enough, and strong enough. You are enough. Everything will work out. Hello, beautiful. Start and end each day with a grateful heart. Focus on the good." And a little heart as well. So super cute. I'm excited to make cards with this stamp set. So that is the Jill kit. You can check out everything that's left in the shop from this new collection at the link in my video description. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you back again soon.